If you're a dividend investor trying to build serious passive income in 2026, there's a very good chance you've come across two ETFs again and again. SCHD and DGRO. Both are extremely popular. Both focus on dividend-paying companies. And both claim to offer the perfect balance of income, growth, and stability. But here's the big question. If you had to choose only one dividend ETF for 2026, which one actually deserves your money? Is it SCHD, the dividend income powerhouse? Or DGRO, the dividend growth machine? Because believe it or not, these two ETFs follow very different strategies. One focuses on high-quality companies with strong dividends today. The other focuses on companies growing their dividends for the future. And depending on your investing goals, choosing the wrong one could cost you thousands of dollars in long-term returns and passive income. So in this video, we're doing a full deep dive comparison. We'll cover the strategy behind each ETF, dividend yield and income potential, portfolio holdings and diversification, performance history, risk factors, which one is better for retirement income, and which one may actually win in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ETF fits your portfolio better. And trust me, the answer might surprise you. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this and remember to comment and share. Let's get into it. What is SCHD? First, let's talk about SCHD. SCHD stands for the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. This ETF is designed to track the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index. In simple terms, SCHD focuses on high-quality American companies that pay strong and reliable dividends. But it doesn't just pick random dividend stocks. It actually uses a very strict screening process. To be included in SCHD, companies must have at least 10 consecutive years of dividend payments, show strong financial strength, have high return on equity, maintain sustainable dividend payouts. This filtering process is extremely important, because it helps SCHD avoid companies that might cut their dividends during economic downturns. And that's one reason why SCHD has become one of the most respected dividend ETFs in the market. Investors love it for three major reasons. Number 1, strong dividend yield. SCHD typically pays a higher yield than most dividend ETFs. Number 2, high-quality companies. Many of the companies inside SCHD are large, profitable blue-chip businesses. Number 3, low expense ratio. SCHD is extremely cheap to own, which means more money stays in your pocket instead of going to fees. But of course, SCHD isn't perfect. And later in this video we'll talk about the biggest criticism investors have about it. What is DGRO? Now let's talk about SCHD's biggest competitor, DGRO. DGRO stands for the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. While SCHD focuses on strong dividend payers, DGRO focuses on something slightly different: dividend growth. Instead of chasing the highest yield today, DGRO looks for companies that are consistently increasing their dividends over time. This ETF tracks the Morningstar U.S. Dividend Growth Index. To qualify for DGRO, companies must have at least 5 years of dividend growth, maintain a reasonable payout ratio, show strong financial health. One key rule is extremely important here. DGRO excludes companies with payout ratios above 75%. Why? Because extremely high payout ratios can be a warning sign that a dividend isn't sustainable long term. So DGRO prefers companies that are still growing their earnings and raising their dividends gradually. This means DGRO often holds companies that pay lower dividends today, but may grow dividends faster over time. That difference in philosophy is what makes this comparison so interesting. Dividend yield comparison. Now let's talk about something dividend investors care deeply about. Income. Historically, SCHD has the higher dividend yield. This means if you're trying to generate passive income right now, SCHD often pays more. Many investors who are approaching retirement or already retired prefer SCHD for this reason. Higher yield means more quarterly income, faster cash flow, potentially less need to sell shares. DGRO, on the other hand, usually offers a lower dividend yield. But remember, DGRO is focused on growing dividends over time. So while the yield might start lower, the growth rate of dividends may be stronger. Over a long period of time, dividend growth can actually create larger income streams. This creates a classic investing debate. Do you want more income today? Or more income growth in the future? Portfolio holdings comparison. Now let's compare what actually sits inside these ETFs. SCHD usually holds around 100 companies. DGRO typically holds around 400 companies. So right away, we see a big difference. DGRO is much more diversified. SCHD is more concentrated. Some investors love SCHD's concentration because it focuses on the best dividend companies. Others prefer DGRO's broader diversification to reduce risk. When we look at top holdings, both ETFs include companies like Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, Home Depot, Procter & Gamble, but their weightings differ significantly. SCHD tends to give larger positions to its top holdings. DGRO spreads weight more evenly across hundreds of companies. This can impact volatility, performance, and risk. Performance history. When investors compare ETFs, one of the first questions is, which one performed better? Historically, SCHD has been a very strong performer among dividend ETFs. Its focus on high-quality profitable companies has helped it deliver strong total returns. DGRO has also performed well. But because DGRO owns more companies and focuses on growth, its performance sometimes behaves differently. During certain periods, SCHD outperforms because of its higher yield and value tilt. During other periods, DGRO benefits from growth stocks increasing dividends. This means performance often depends on market conditions. Expense ratios. Fees may seem small, but over decades they matter a lot. SCHD has an expense ratio of roughly 0.06%. DGRO's expense ratio is about 0.08%. Both are extremely cheap. But technically, SCHD is slightly cheaper. And over a 20-year investment horizon, even tiny differences in fees can add up. Sector allocation. Another important difference is sector exposure. SCHD typically leans heavily toward industrials, financials, consumer staples, healthcare. These sectors are known for stable cash flow and reliable dividends. DGRO has more exposure to technology, healthcare, financials, consumer sectors. Because DGRO allows companies with strong earnings growth, it often includes more tech exposure than SCHD. That could become important in the future, because technology companies have been increasing dividends rapidly. Which ETF is better for retirement? For retirees, the biggest priority is usually income stability. SCHD tends to be extremely popular among retirement investors because higher yield, reliable dividend companies, strong dividend history. DGRO can still work for retirement, but it may require more patience since the yield starts lower. However, for younger investors with long time horizons, DGRO's dividend growth strategy may become very powerful. Risk factors. No ETF is perfect. SCHD risks, more concentrated portfolio, higher exposure to certain sectors, dividend cuts possible during recessions. DGRO risks, lower current yield, dividend growth could slow if earnings slow, broader portfolio may dilute top performers. Understanding these risks helps investors choose the ETF that matches their personal strategy. SCHD versus DGRO in 2026. Now let's talk about the big question. Which ETF might perform better in 2026? If the market favors value stocks, high dividend income, stable cash flow companies, SCHD could perform extremely well. But if the market favors growth companies, tech dividend growers, earnings expansion, DGRO could potentially outperform. This means the winner may depend heavily on economic conditions in 2026. So which one is better? Here's the honest answer. Both ETFs are excellent, but they serve slightly different investors. Choose SCHD if you want higher dividend income, a focused portfolio, strong dividend quality. Choose DGRO if you want dividend growth, more diversification, higher exposure to future dividend growers. Some investors actually do something even simpler. They own both. And by combining SCHD and DGRO, they get income today, dividend growth tomorrow, which can be a powerful combination. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always do your own research and consider speaking with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.